All our herbs, well not all, a good portion of our herbs comes from a guy and he picks it that morning and like it's alive. By the time we get it, it's real, it's beautiful. My name's Suthat Sathittanakun. I'm the head chef here at Mineral Springs Hotel. Started 20 years ago, pretty much didn't know what else to do. Kind of, as I got into it more and more, I enjoyed it more and started exploring more seasonal, local ingredients, working with local farmers and stuff is kind of what I'm passionate and excited about, so I moved to regional Victoria. All our growers, from our chicken, ducks, lamb, pigs, cows, our vegetables, our herbs, I know all the suppliers on a first name basis, so that's kind of something that you wouldn't get in a major city in a way. That gives us, in a sense, some advantage over in terms of presenting and serving food that's wholesome and local, truly local and seasonal. Doing what we do, we try and feature as much local ingredients as possible. We give provenance to ingredients on the menu, so when people read the menu, it should be identifiable that is from a premium local grower rather than a dry goods supplier that most places use. So we've got a dish going on Thursday, which is a super simple vegetable dish. We've got artichokes, which are from my backyard, and some potatoes, which are from Dean. We've got snow peas, which will be from Mount Franklin over there. So it's basically a vegetable salad, but it's highlighting local fresh ingredients. There'll probably be a little sauce made of wild garlic, which is growing in the creek over there. Don't tell anyone. Yeah, so it's just a little like vegetable salad. That sort of stuff excites me. Producers and farmers and nature. Yeah, seeing like you can every day you know what's happening out in the garden and out in the farms. You can feel it and you can smell it and you can see it. Yeah, that's in a nutshell.